everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're trying to install the Duolingo app but it just won't install on your phone, don't worry. I will show you some easy fixes in this video. So first step is to check storage space. Make sure your phone has enough free storage. If space is low, delete unused apps, photos or files. Second step is to check internet connection because a poor network can stop apps from installing. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Third step is to clear Play Store cache. For that, go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Now use the search icon at the top right and search Google Play Store. Scroll down and go to storage. And then here, tap clear cache and clear data and then try again. Fourth step is to update system software because sometimes outdated software blocks installation. Again, go to settings, scroll down and go to software update. And here, download and install the latest update. Fifth step is to restart your device and then try installing Duolingo again. And please always install Duolingo from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Avoid third-party sources. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Duolingo app not installing issue. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.